New Ark Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning is a reliable, professional, experienced HVAC contractor serving commercial and residential clients in New Jersey. Our firm designs and installs HVAC systems including all duct work and equipment. We have a wide range of experience with large commercial projects as well as residential clients. We have an extensive record of HVAC installations in sensitive settings such as medical facilities, restaurants, and high-rise facilities. We have a solid reputation with many successful projects and satisfied clients.